The next chapter is the access chapter. The access chapter deals with when people may come on to treaty settlement land, and the basic principles are pretty simple. First, it says that some lands may be designated over time as private lands, in which case there are no rights of access unless the First Nation or somebody living on your land invites people on. There'll be other lands that will be called public lands, which ordinary people will have the right to access, provided they do no damage to the land, engage in no harvesting. So they're allowed to pass over the land, essentially. An important part of the access chapter is that the First Nation will be protected from liability in the event that somebody breaks their leg or falls and hurts themselves on your land while they're using the access rights. Another part of the access chapter deals with the rights of the governments to access your land and your governments to access Crown land if necessary. And essentially there are provisions that allow for the governments to access land in the case of delivering services or dealing with emergencies. Additionally, there are provisions in there dealing with how utility companies such as TELUS, Shaw, companies like that may be delivering services to people on the reserve can enter the land and actually provide these services without having to enter into long, extended legal negotiations.